All right, first grade, to start our math lesson today, let's begin by warming up our brains with some math facts. Grab your whiteboards. I'm going to show you a math fact, and I'd like you to write down the answer, or if you like to say the answer out loud instead, that's fine too. Here's our first one. Start at 6, add 5. Where would you land? Grab that 6, add 5 more. You might think of it like this. Start at 6, add 5 more. Where are you going to land? Here's your mystery box. If you said, oh, this is Trinka. If you said 11, you got it. Clear off your board. Next one. Start at 9. Add 7. Say it or write it. If you said 16, you got it. One more. This time, start at 18 and subtract 9. Take away 9. You might need a tool for this one. You might need your number line. Take a look at our number line here. If we start at 18 and we subtract 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, where would we end up? If you said 9, you got it. That's a tricky one. Now put those whiteboards away. Put those markers away and take a look at what you see on your screen. What is that? What are those things? Those are tens frames, but not just one. There are 2 of them, because today we are going to talk again about doubles. We've talked about doubles before. Go back in your brain. See if you've got that in one of your drawers in your brain. What are doubles? So let's look at some of our quick look cards, this time with 2 tens frames. You will see a card for just 1 second. If you know the number on it, say it out loud. What do you think it was? If you said 8, you got it. 4 and 4 is 8. That's a double. Look at the next one. 1 second. What was that one? If you said 12, you got it. 6 and 6 is 12. Look at our next one. What was it? If you said 10, you got it. What makes that one kind of easy? Yeah, we can just fill them in together to make a tens frame. 10 is our total on that one. Here's another double. Sorry about that. That was the end of school. Here's our next double. Ooh, it was a big one. What was it? Did you see 9 plus 9? Sometimes 9 plus 9 can be tricky for kids, but take a look. If it was 10 plus 10, you might know that's 20. 9 plus 9 just has this one missing and this one missing. 9 plus 9 is 18. These are doubles, and we can use doubles to play games. We can use doubles to help us with our math facts. Our brain tends to remember doubles. This is a game we've played something similar before. I can roll a dice or a die, 6, and then I can double it. 6 plus 6, 12. And I can color it in. And I can roll my die again. And I can double it. 3 plus 3 is 6. You're going to play something kind of similar to this tomorrow for your math lesson. And to finish up today, I just wanted to show you what the activities you'll be doing on iExcel. You will have a page to do in your green practice book to remember bar graphs, your green practice packet. You will have a page to do in your blue math boxes packet, and then you will go to iExcel 03. Now you might already be done with this from earlier in the year, and if you're done, just cross it off your list. If not, you can take a peek. It says Anna went to the circus. She saw some snacks. So it'll show you a picture, and then you'll have to figure out which tally graph or which bar graph matches the picture. So I see 5 popcorns and 4 fruit pops. 5, that doesn't show 5 popcorns and 4 popsicles. 5 and 4, oh, this is the right one. So you find which one matches all of the items up above. Kate brought some snacks to the pool. She brought 5 watermelons and 2 popsicles. 5 watermelons, 2 popsicles. There it is. If you have already finished 03, then you can go back. The other one we are working on today is 08. Now, I don't think anyone has done this one yet, at least not when I checked. So this one is more like the bar graph that you've been working on in your math green packet. So you can see that Andy went and saw some birds. He saw some ducks, some seagulls, and some eagles. And he made this bar graph. And then there's a question. This question says, did he see more eagles or seagulls? Remember, all of these little buttons will help you hear what the question is asking. And I can tell that he saw more seagulls than eagles. So I'm going to pick this one. Sometimes it will ask me for more, sometimes less. Which item did he find more of? Gift bags or pens? You can see the gift bag is not quite as tall as the pens. So these will be your 2 iExcel activities for today. If you would also like to do some work in your math packet from your red work folder, you sure can. And when you finish a math packet, let me know and we'll pick a prize together.